Hi guys, it's M here once again with another exciting episode of the video, and this time it's a tech review. This time we will be reviewing this Chinese made smart collar microphone, and that is K9 wireless microphone. And if you can see here, this is plug and play, 20 meters of accessible reception, precise radio, clear timbrance and high sensitivity, and widely compatible. This is a cheapest microphone with the compatibility for both iPhone and Type-C Android phones. So we go ahead and lock it, and let's see. Just to let you know upfront, this is a very starting range dual set of microphones where you can use your phone to record decent audio, and these are wireless, and you can find them somewhere around $10 to $15 and pretty cheap in the market, you know, though they are Chinese made, but I have heard a lot about them. So let's dive deep into it and see what they do and what they are capable of. Let's see. So I'm going to open it. So right now, for the sake of testing, we have removed the plastic sheeting over the box itself here, so it's already been removed. Now let's get right into it. We find one dongle that is basically a convertible from Type-C to iPhone. That's for that for sure. Then we can see two set of, I guess we have to remove it. Yeah, first we see the receiver that will go straight into the phone itself, and then there is a charging dock for it, which is C-type itself, and then there is a light given on it for the connection display, you know. And for sure I think this is the receiver end, which is covered in the blue wrap. So what else we got in here is, like, let's see, there is one microphone with a power button over it and the cushion covering it, and another microphone for the second set, again same with the collar cushion button, and then there's a button given on it, a separate charging dock, and same cushion. And the build quality seems pretty okay in this price range, I'll say. Let's go ahead and further, you know, let's find out what else. Okay, and then there is a standard manual that you can use in case you don't have to worry a lot, which is indeed in dual language, which we find mostly Chinese and English itself, and some packing list given over here. Which, let's talk about the manual here. If we see a packing list which is given in here, we got microphone, transmitter, receiver, charging cable, and a user manual, pretty standard that we saw here. Instead there are two microphones, one receiver, one dongle, and there is indeed a charging cable that can be used with any standard charger 2.0 for the charging of all these three things. And you can see like this, Type-C, all three compatible with Type-C, pretty decent. Yeah, so this is it for the pretty unboxing. I'll just spend some time with it, and then I'll come back with the audio associated with it, and let's see how we got in audio side. So see you there, stay tuned. So now I'm placing my iPhone a pretty decent distance, and I'm now trying to move out from here, and I want to see the range works and how the range works. And this is right now the piece of recording I'm making at least 5 meters far from my iPhone where I'm recording this audio. So let's see guys how this goes and how this recording worked for us later into the testing and analyzation session. I must say I'm pretty impressed with the voice quality this microphone got, because in this price range it's incredible with all the wireless activity going on and the voice cancellation, the noise cancellation it's providing us. I must say this is a good go for the starter kind of a set, and indeed this is very fine.